Good morning friends, welcome back on my channel SS Learners Time Clock Part 3. Today we will learn how to read the time when minute hand lies in between two big divisions. You can see that in each case minute hand, that is longer hand, is lying in between two big numbers. Here in between 2 and 3, here in between 7 and 8, and here in between 10 and 11. And in previous class, as we discussed that when minute hand travels from one big division to next big divisions, it takes 5 minutes. So let us count time in this case. Here 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Up to 2, that is 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. After 2, 1 and 1, that is 2. So 2 5 ja 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12 minutes. And our hand is in between 6 and 7, so it's 6 hours and 12 minutes. Here you can see that minute hand is after 7, so up to 7, 7 5 ja 35, and after that 1 2 3, 35 plus 3, that is equal to 38. So time will be next, and our hand is after 9, it means 9 hour and 38 minutes. And here you can see that minute hand is after 10, so 10 5 ja 50 plus 1 2 3 and 4. So 50 plus 4, that is equal to 54. And our hand in between 1 and 2, so it's 1 hour and 54 minutes. Now let us see some more examples. Here you can see that minute hand is after 8. So up to 8, 5 8 ja 40 plus 1, that is equal to 41 minutes. And our hand in between 3 and 4, it means it is after 3, so it's 3 hour and 41 minutes. Here you can see that minute hand is after 5, so 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 and 2, so that is equal to 27 minutes. And our hand is after 11, so 11 hours and 27 minutes. Here it's after 12, so here from here it starts 1 2 and 3, it means 3 minutes. And our hand after 5, so it's 5 hours. So in this case we will write 5 hours and 3 minutes, like that. Here you can see something, 8 hours 7 minutes, 4 hours 6 minutes, 10 hours 4 minutes. Now next case you can see that minute hand is after 11, so 11 5 ja 55 plus 1 2 and 3, that is equal to 58. So that is 58 minutes. And after 7, so 7 hour and 58 minutes. Thanks for watching the video.